Every company I know has a continuous improvement culture. We strive to make things better and better, always. So if you agree with me, then this course is for you. We're going to talk about Lean Six Sigma in this course and how you can provide a structure to your processes. Hi, my name is Syed and I'll be the instructor for this course. I've trained thousands of students over the last 20 years, and as an enterprise project manager with several years of experience, I could do it. In this course, I'll teach you how Lean principles and Six Sigma methodology can be implemented and processes be improved, and you can gain operational efficiency. Let me give you an example. So the concepts of both Lean and Six Sigma are going to be combined within this course, and that's the fundamental of this course itself. So that using the right tools at the right place measures success. So you'll be able to significantly impact the business processes and gain operational efficiency. So let me give you an example about what is Lean and Six Sigma, even though I'm going to talk about this later. But just quickly, take a look at this particular car, right? Well, that's a car, which is a Mini Cooper. So when we manufacture this particular vehicle, most manufacturing companies would like to increase production, right? So they want to sell more cars, During this process, during the manufacturing process, what happens to this? What happens to each of these processes that go in building this particular car? Well, that's an example, right? So as you're building this car, the processes are the ones that you need to focus on in terms of Lean and Six Sigma. And I'm going to talk about what those are, okay? But just fundamentally understand that we are going to eliminate the waste from our processes, like redundant processes maybe, or waste of time that is being spent by these production workers, and so forth. And there's several others that I'm going to talk about. So once you eliminate those wastes, that's really what Lean is all about. Next, of course, you apply the methodology of Six Sigma. Use some statistical tools, do some analysis, gather some data, and then really dish out and eliminate all of these inefficiencies from the processes. So now you have a production within your car and you have an efficient process. So it was introduced earlier by Henry Ford, which was about early 20s, I believe, this concept. Later on, it was adopted by Toyota, which in fact became the powerhouse of production for the rest of the world. Early 80s is when it was introduced back into the United States, and that's where Lean and Six Sigma, in fact, was introduced and boomed within this particular country. So let's dive in and understand a little bit further of what Lean and Six Sigma is. But in this lesson, I just want to cover the course structure, so to speak. I'm going to be covering Lean, Six Sigma interchangeably, all the concepts that you would need to know to make your processes more efficient. So whether you're an IT individual, IT professional, project manager, analyst, or any person who's in charge of certain projects, maybe Lean projects or Six Sigma projects within your organizations, that's exactly the course for you. So I'm going to be covering several topics such as Lean, Six Sigma, methodologies, statistical tools, some Pareto analysis, and some buzzwords as well, because these tools are going to help you use them and then make your analysis. So this course is really for understanding the fundamentals, so you can gain solid understanding of what these principles and methodology is of both Lean and Six Sigma. So let's dive right in and take a look at, in depth, what this course is all about. So I welcome you to this course, and I thank you for enrolling.